Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you had a good weekend. It is Monday, Feb 24th, 2025. Here are the three sisters, guys, the daily frame, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. As you can see, we had that big, giant down day on Friday, and now we start with an inside day here. Marginal bullish bodies to begin. A little bit of a snapback here in Asia and the UK session. I really shouldn't say snapback. It really is a bit of a sideways grind. I'll show that to you here on my trading grid. There's that daily chart with an inside day and bullish body on the NASDAQ. But let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. There's that big sell-off in the New York session. There's Asia, UK or Europe, and New York, big sell down, and now grinding sideways in Asia and the UK session so far. We're about to open in about 25 seconds or so. Then the first 30-minute candle will form here and decide what to do. This will be a congestion or range-bound zone for me, guys. Clean traffic above. Anything can happen there. And we'll see what happens if we break the low of Friday, which actually happened after the close of the session in the futures market. And now over to the two sisters, guys. You can see that 1 minute candle is forming now to give us that open range in the next few seconds or so. I'll bring you back, guys, and we'll see what that first candle looks like. And the first 1 minute candle is done, guys. On the NASDAQ, we're looking at 26 points, just a reasonable candle, nothing huge. About 4.25 points on the S&P. Nothing for me to do here, guys. I'm going to be very patient coming in. This, by the way, is the UK open range that is in line with the Asian open range. I showed you how we're kind of grinding sideways here after the big sell-off on Friday. There's the sideways grind, opening range of Asia, opening range of UK, almost identical, and now opening range of New York, almost identical again. I'm going to delete those now, and we can stay focused on the New York session here. A reminder too, guys, that this is Monday, manic Monday, meandering Monday, messy Monday. Curious to see if we can get up and close above the zone that you see here on the left-hand side. Just gonna watch here, guys. In fact, guys, I won't even say much. As long as we're in this range here, I'm likely to do nothing. I'll just put you on pause until we do something different. Oh, I realized I'm on a 2-minute chart here, guys. This should be a 1-minute chart for me. There it is. All right, guys, not going to do anything here. We're inside the open range. Nothing for me to do. Flipping over on both the S&P and the NASDAQ, negative moving average configurations. Curious to see if we break down here, guys, and continue the momentum from Friday. Breaking down now below the open range, at least in a marginal way. This is not an order, guys, just a marker. This candle closes in 5 seconds. Not doing anything. All right, guys, sell stop order right below that candle. Stop above the open range. Very simple configuration. Just feeling like we want to resolve down here, guys. Below here, in line with Friday's momentum. I am watching the S&P as well, very quickly. There it is, dropping below. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ here on Manic Monday. So why am I short here, guys? Well, we have an inside day permissible to both longs and shorts. The inside day is at the low end, the very low end of Friday's sell-off range. Very big down day, if you remember, closing below both the 9 and 21 on the daily chart. That was a very significant weakness. coming in here, guys, it looked like we had some buying interest and it looked fairly strong. But then what looked to be fairly strong very quickly flipped on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. Let me show that to you. 1, 2, driving down in concert below the open range. A closing candle below the open range, 9 below 21. Both EMAs dropping and continuing to drop despite the attempt higher. We were also breaking below this range from the entire Asian session and a good portion of the European session. And that obviously is a bearish continuation sign in the context of this, right? This is all about tossing coins. There are no guarantees here, but the weight of the evidence is saying, for now, going down. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2-hour moved their stop to break even at 1 hour has now moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. So now it's just the 1.5 and the 2-hour all-or-nothing traders waiting here to see if they can make some money as well. And target 2 has been hit, guys, so the 1.5-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits as well. And there it is, guys, nice and clean. We had a little break and retest to kind of textbook play. 9 squeezing into the 21. That could have been a second trade or an ad, but all 4 models fully profitable here on Monday morning. Good way to start the week. Have an amazing day, guys. Appreciate you and your support. Talk soon.